Hi, testing, testing. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let me make sure everything's going great right now. Hey, yeah, I think I'm set. Okay. Because the only thing I changed today is I was using Wi-Fi the whole time, like connecting my laptop, and today I was thinking maybe I should have a like more stable internet, so I link it with the cable, which is sucks. Wi-Fi is better. Good morning, morning, morning. You guys really hear me, right? Just want to make sure. I don't know. How does that even kill the stream? I don't know what's going on. You know, I'm not a tech guy. You need hotspot. I literally was asking AI, like, what exactly is this error? Okay, we get back to the chat. I was actually quite sleepy before, but after this issue, I'm energetic right now. You miss me? I did a live stream Monday in my Discord. Did you watch it? And also right now Jerry is also live streaming inside Discord. So if anyone want to have some company during the news session, and go join Jerry's stream. Yesterday we got a large range day, right? Let's see. Yesterday is a large range day. So this candlestick, this one, which to the volume imbalance, daily volume imbalance, you can see it's actually to the tick, right? The wick is actually the low of this candlestick, which is the high of this daily volume imbalance, and then come back down, split all these sell side critique. You can see a very obvious trend line sell side critique here. So actually, we all know price going to go back to here, just a matter of time. And with this line, which is right here, you can see it, right? So this one is the daily average. Price keep coming back, so we'll see like if this daily average can hold price or not, because like we still got a relative equal high here, which is the high of I think like November 5th and December 10th. So this is a nice, very nice liquidity pool, but like we gotta see if we see any entry point to go there. Did you take trade yesterday? No. I saw the tweet. I saw ICT's tweet that you have to be like very careful that day. I mean, if you say something like that, then I would say it's not necessary for me to engage with price. I can definitely take a day off. And yesterday was like the high impact news, right? PPI. Do you have any high impact news today? Let me check. Okay, nothing. Oh yeah, unemployment claims. 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for unemployment claims, which is this one. Okay. We got a long break here. Let me take a look on 4 hour. So now we are around 50% of the range, I think. And make a measurement though. Yeah, exactly. So we just passed 50% of this range. We got a nice Asia range today. I did trade eval for this move, but like because I don't want to trade my fund account before 2 a.m. Eastern time. So if I see anything before that, I'll just trade eval. You know, this range is beautiful. This consolidation is like awesome. And we got midnight opening price here. So before 2, we already at 115, right? Price sweep both Asia high and this, I think, NYPM high in both ES and NQ. How do you determine when not to trade? I mean, you have to take a look on the Forest Factory Economic Calendar here. So, for tier 1 high impact news like NFP, CPI, FOMC, I do trade the day, like for CPI and FOMC, it's 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? So I won't trade the London session on that day. And if NFP, that there's another NFP protocol for that. And for PPI, which is because PPI got like normally got large range and high volatility, so I'll also avoid trading the London session before PPI. But if like just normal high impact news like unemployment claims, then it won't bother me. I will still just, if I see any step, I will still trade. And for like not trading, I mean not trading on my fund account and personal account. But if like eval, you can always trade anytime you want, because eval is like trying to go aggressive and pass it as soon as you can. So like you don't have to think that much. It's not like something you have to be very cautious. So right now we are price after sweeping the Asia high and the NY, the previous day NY session PM high. We're now going into the 1 hour FVG, which is a bearish FVG. We'll see how price will act with this one. What stop loss amount do you recommend for 50K? If it's eval or front account, I mean, it depends on your trading model. I mean, stop loss amount is like, now I don't know what kind of positions are you're using. Like if you're using one micro or one mini or any other things, and like after you backtesting your trading model, you would know like how much stop loss do you need to get enough room for the trade to breathe, but still can like go into your TP without just hitting your break even or stop loss very often. Which membership did you watch of ICT? So I got a recommended playlist, a few playlists listed in my Discord. You can just get in and see it. I watch it all. I watch them all. Those recommended playlists, which is great. You learn a lot, but of course you gotta spend a lot of time. And for some people always say like, I don't understand what this term mean. Like what is NWAT? What is volume imbalance? What is FVG? Things like that. I mean, come on, it's all over the internet. I mean, it's all over ICT YouTube channel. It's for free. And I don't understand why you don't just Google it. The 5-minute range. I didn't say the 5-minute range. It's the Asia range.今日仲係有啲喉嚨痛，其實唔係好想講嘢。我細細聲講啦，較大聲啲個咪先。I think just typing like ICT. No, I actually use this live stream to practice English. Every time I make a live stream, it's like an English lesson. I'm just doing an English corner. What conference you use in the session to trade? Bro, that's a lot. I can't answer this question with like in a minute, you know. It's a long story. Just ICT concept if you ask me. You say bro a lot. Did I? Did I really? I should say sis, right? I should just say sis. We did get some smooth sell side critique here, also midnight opening price. So, if you ask me, I would say is it got potential with this liquidity pool, and also we're in the premium of this range, right? What do you think? Maybe we should try something. To be honest, I didn't see anything special, but like, maybe just wait a little bit because we got a equal high in 1 minute time frame. It's better to wait for equal high, get swept by current price first. It's actually the same. Like, you can trade the same IC concept in both London session and New York session. Do you look at volume? What? What do you mean? Maybe you should look at the volume, not me. Because like, you know, we don't use like indicator. We all of this indicator we are using it for like key level. You're not using this to determine, like, we're not using indicator for confirmation signal. I know some of the trading strategy that mainly depends on volume, like VCP, right? I learned it before. Also, I also use it when I was trading stocks. But I think right now you can see I only use ICT concept, so that must be a reason for me to do that, right? If those trading strategies that good, then why am I not keep using that? I mean, it's my money, right? I'm risking my money, so of course I gotta use the best trading method for myself. Which model do you trade? I trade my own model based on ICT concept. Based on ICT concept. I would say like everyone should customize their own model because like we got different risk tolerance, different personalities. So when we engage in price, you have different approach. And it's also one of the reasons why I said like following signal surface is not working because you got different mindset with the one who provide you the signal surface. Yes, exactly. You learn something, then you make it your own. Exactly. Okay, so the 1 minute equal high, just sweep. We see what price doing here. How did you develop patience? Um, just make yourself multitask. Like, for example, when I was trading London session, I usually chat with my trading community if I am trading, and also, for example, I'm doing live stream here. Maybe you can listen to the music or to radio. Just get yourself a little bit distracted, but not like um totally focus on the other thing. So you can do some minor things that didn't require your focus. Patience equal to tired of losing money. I I actually don't really believe in this mindset because like when I wasn't consistently profitable yet, I was asking some successful trader about this question too. Like why am I not become successful after so many years? Like they said that's because I didn't lose enough. Not enough to make me want to become disciplined. Which is not true. Which is not true. Because I lost a lot of money before that. No, no, no. No. I think it's not a valid statement. You will be patient after blow up a lot of money. I blew up a lot of money. And it's not helping. It's not helping in any way. I'm still blowing at that time. I mean, at that time, I'm still blowing up a lot of money. I think this statement is kind of uh the victim trying to deceive himself. Like I will become better when I get to a certain level, which is losing enough of money, which is not true. Which is not true. I mean, there's no solution. That's not no solution at all. I mean, that statement is just like, okay, someday you will become patient because you don't have more money to lose. I don't understand this. It's not rational. I mean, that's some logical error with this statement. Because when I hear that statement, Like I asked that successful trader and he told me this. I was like, it's nonsense. It's literally nonsense. The answer is all of the above. Standard deviation, yeah, I use standard deviation. Not a lot, just sometimes. Like when I'm using higher time frame for analysis, I'll use standard deviation. But if your trade model require using standard deviation all the time, then you can use it. I mean, it's related to ICT concept. And I don't want to trade every day this year. Because if we have to work like every day with the whole neural session, it's literally like working a full-time job, right? Maybe it depends on why you're impatient. I think that's true. That's true. That's a good statement. Yeah, lots of other traders just say you just have to get sick of taking losses. I mean, yeah, that's what they said, and I don't like this because it's kind of accusing those who still taking losses is because they want to take losses. I mean, no one want to take losses, right? Of course, and everyone gets sick of taking losses. So I don't understand why they think patient is like, I don't know. But didn't listen to that trader, that successful trader that told me to um just when you lose enough money you'll be fine. I didn't listen to him because like I think he probably good at trading, but like it's not a smart person. Because if he's a smart person, he wouldn't talk like that. I don't know if you know what I mean. A smart person should behave also. They should be behave good in trading, but also good in life. Yeah, I'm kind of. I mean, I didn't say the name, so. All right, price retrace after hitting the equal high. Let me zoom into it. Let me see if we got anything. Also, we'll have to look at yes too, in case. Also with this swing high too. You got a large one here, also here. Let's see. Not very ideal. So this price runs equal high. Also this, I think 1 to 2 tick above this swing high. So these two bullish FVG holding price right now. We'll see. Why I always hear vibration voice and noises during live stream? Whoa, that's crazy. Even after I relocate to Dubai, I still hear so many construction noise. Don't force the trade. Yeah, I didn't do anything yet. Are you chat daily bias? What do you mean? You have to rewatch. In the very beginning, we talk about the daily candles. Uh, hmm. Are there a lot of Asian people in Dubai? Well, it depends which kind of Asian you mean. Like East Asian, not much. Chinese? I think there's a certain amount of Chinese. I don't know, I live far away from them. Like wow, that is a no, I'm not gonna talk about this topic. Can you do a video on APAS? You know what? Believe it or not, I want to make that video like in last year. But I got a lot going on. I don't have time for that video. I should have finished that video before the oh yeah, I don't know if you guys know that. Let me see. Well, I really want to take this trade, but like it's okay. Let's talk about other things. So here, this one, what that is. On which day? January 24. So there's a Pop Trader Fest, which is an online event. So there is total 22 speakers will speak on this event. It's free. It's totally free. So you can just click the link or type poptraderfest.com. Okay, to register. Wait, what? Yeah, so I'll be share some of the insights, including about it, like the Apex thing. I think my time slot is like 9 or something. We can just click here, right? Let me see. So when you click in the link, I send it in the chat too. Yeah, so just fill in the blank and you can register it. What is my time slot? 9 to 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is my time slot, but you can also watch other people, right? You got a lot of great traders here. So I will see you there. Okay, remember to register. So I was planning to make that video before this day. So I don't know if I can do that because I got a lot of videos to make. Next week, you talking about the price session in next week. I don't care about next week because we are currently trading this moment in London session. I mean, yeah, you have higher timing analysis, yes, of course. But since we're a day trader, and we are specifically, we're not even trading the daily range, but we are trading the session. So I would say it's not very related to higher time frame analysis, like weekly candle. Because anything can happen. Like literally anything. Over the weekend, maybe there's another war happen, then everything's changed. So price consolidating, hitting both buy side and sell side, which is not a good sign. I mean, price whipping both sides is like a signal of price messing up with the whole market. Yes, sit and destroy. Exactly, exactly. I forgot the term. Thank you, Jerry. What are you looking for? I'm not looking for anything. I mean, I'm looking for potential setup. If you ask, like, but I didn't see anything. So this FVG bullish average did hold price, but this larger bullish average did hold it. Nothing. I mean, with this action, the price between both sides of liquidity. No, I would just wait. I didn't see anything at all right now. All right, let me take a look on the vote. Bias for London session: 42% bullish, 40% bearish, and 18% neutral. So it's pretty much the same. Can you share how do you set TP word an example in the chat? What do you mean? How to set TP? It depends what is your trading plan. Like, I mean, when you get in, before you get in the chain, you have a trading plan. And so what are you targeting? And that target should be your final TP. And you can take partial on the way and also try your stop loss to break even. Yeah, we're just consolidating. I would say not just consolidating, but worse than consolidating because it's seek and destroy. I will say like it's just 3 minutes to 3 a.m. Eastern time. Right, we will see what we got. So the stream got 5 seconds delay, right? Because from what I can see, it's like around 5 seconds. Why is it? I chose ultra low, but it's still 5 seconds? That's a lot. Yes, also consolidating. What do you think of the 2 minutes IFVG? Uh, if there's no 1 minute or 5 minute FVG, like IFVG, I'll say it's meaningless to switch to 2 minutes. It's like you force yourself to fire IFVG. If there's already a IFVG in 1 minute or 5 minutes, and you want to like have more information, so we switch to other time frame, that is reasonable. But it's if I switch to 2 minutes for nothing, it's just like forcing myself to look for entry point. Because you can literally use any time frame, you know, right? For example, I can use 23 minutes. You know, anything 17, whatever I can 8. So that's why would I do it? Whatever 99, we can still we can get anything we want here. Oh, I didn't see anything yet. I mean, of course, like being cautious can equal to missing some of the trading opportunities, yes, but like I don't think it's necessary to trade those setup that I'm not confident about it. because I will be, if I take any trades today, it will be on my funded accounts all connected together. So it's around 15, which is like Tradify, Lucid, and TPT. Where? 25 for where? Here? This one? Here? That is far away from the current price. But this one is great. Let me mark it down. Okay. Yeah, we got some sales activity here. What do you think, Jerry? Is Jerry still here? I mean, right now, what am I gonna do with this? To be honest, I didn't see anything. You in a short? Okay. Good luck. I'm not in anything yet. I do hope I get in a trade. Because I didn't take any trade on front account this week. Only on my personal capital. And I have to fulfill the minimum chain days requirement. So I have to take some trades. Come on. Minimum trade requirement for personal account? I don't think so. I don't think so. But you better ask your broker. Um. Jerry, are you still okay? I think your trade for short is Coke. It's okay, right? It's okay. I bet you have very good risk management, so a calculated risk is fine. Why are so many people taking short? I thought like I see the vote is like 40% thing is bearish. Okay, price probably sweep this high. Uh, mm, yeah, nothing we can do here. I mean, this range is kind of too small. Too small. Like, yes, this manipulation did like this with this low and then go up, but like, if you are entering, I don't know, here with this IFVG, it's still like not very ideal. The risk reward ratio isn't good. From if I really want to trade here, it's just not good, right? Because we need to wait for the candle body close, so we have the entry here. So it's like 1 to 1, which I don't like it. I'll need at least 1 to 2, or at least 1 to 1.8 sometimes. But like 1 to 1, I'll just let it go. You just got stopped. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, you make it back. We all know that. Okay, so we'll see if we got any SMT. Or price gonna keep going up to these two swing high for like more buy side quick pull. Imagine if it reverses here. I don't know. We are in high timing bullish. Well, no chase is better than taking a losing chase, so I'm okay with that. Though I really want to take some. I mean, I live streamed for an hour, but I didn't see anything good. It's okay. You always got another trading opportunity. Fan shading? Oh, come on, no, don't do that. But I think, though, like for those who took a short with this like range, is a small range. So I bet you didn't lose much if you really take a short. It's not like you lose 100 points, right? To be honest, I didn't find anything that I'm interested in right now. This week look good though. Do you change new Apex account now? No, I'm graduated from Apex because I finished the target. My target for trading Apex is getting million payout. So that's all. And people always said because you're affiliate, that's why you get those payout. I always told them it's not true because before that when I first traded with Apex, I was an affiliate. And I also got those emails requiring me to give them a written statement about my trading plan, things like that. And recently, an affiliate also got, like, I think, cash out or something, or like stopping him from buying more accounts, right? And that guy is an affiliate. So it doesn't matter. It's not because you're an affiliate or not. But they don't understand. They won't believe it. They just want to believe what they want to believe. I'm trading Tradify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader for platforms. Only these three. Yes, created a equal high with this. I don't know if you guys can see it. This high and this wick formed a equal high on ES. Do you use YM as an additional instrument for SMT? No, I do not. But Jerry used that. I only use ES. It's very, very useful if you don't. You know what? Of course I got a reason not to use it. And of course other people got a reason to keep using it. So I am so sure that I don't need YM. I'm very much sure. Like 200% guarantee I don't need it. Remember, I backtested my training model so many times. Also forward tested it, demo traded. I did everything I should do with the trading model. That's why I know it's the best for me. I didn't just, okay, I use this trading model and I make some profit, get some payout, so okay, it's a great model. Not like that. What do you think about day traders? I used them before. Not very recommended at the moment. I have a stalker. What do you mean? Which one? I backtest with Chasilla. You can see the link down below my info box. You can use code Candy for 20% off. That is like trading journal plus backtesting platform. But yeah, I gotta say before TradeZilla exists, because when I first started trading like futures, forex, TradeZilla wasn't there yet. At that time, I was using TradingView. And TradingView's repay function, I mean, it's free, but of course it got some shortcomings, I would say. It's not ideal as I wish it could be. But if you can afford any other premium service or premium tools, just keep using TradingView's repay function. Until one day you think that's not enough, then you can switch to other services or tools. Replay is a paid function. I mean, I assume everyone got premium membership in TradingView, like because like there's 70% off or 80% off during Black Friday. Chad, I think I think I wouldn't see anything during this session. I mean, why not? It's impossible for me to long here. It's too premium, even for this range, or even for this range, right? And we got this way, this huge range. I mean, I can't long here, and I can't short either, because like we need more confirmation if we want to short with this higher time frame bullish environment. You entered long. Okay, Jerry. You can chase. If I'm trading eval, yes, of course. I'll definitely enter anything I want. But no, not my fund account. But believe me, if I see something, I'll definitely long or short. I will definitely enter something if I think like that's a good chance. I actually took so many losing trades on stream before. If you look back the replay, yeah, I got so many losing stream. But of course, I got more winning stream compared to the losing streams. Am I doing my fund right now? I'm actually connecting both my personal and my fund account with the trade copier. Well, I'll only do it during like London session. I won't do it during New York session because there's high volatility, and in case something happened, the news, the war, or Trump. So I don't want the slippage gonna hurt my personal capital. At that time, I will either just trade all those funded accounts or just trade my personal account instead of linking them together. She makes it all back on FNY every time. I don't want to be like that, it because it looks so weird. After the live stream, I'll make another winning trade. That is so weird. So sometimes I will just I did make it bad, but I won't post it because you can just count it as a losing day. At that day, I'm okay with that. I'm totally fine to have a losing day in public rather than just tell everyone, okay, I make it back, but it's not live streaming. It sounds so weird. You never see me lose? No, I think last YouTube stream, I did take a losing trade, but I take another winning trade to cover the losses. Revenge anything, but in private. Just make sure yourself didn't on tilted. $5 minute BCs, you put where? This one? Or here, this one? Okay, the low.
Connection lost.
That is me. That is me. But like, if I use the cable, then I can't live stream. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe I need to change the cable. I'm not so sure. I need to reconnect my Ninja Trader. Let me take a look. They are well connected right now. It's all green light. Did you trade in your session yesterday? No. I was I was busy on other things. And also for those YouTube members, you can connect your YouTube account to Discord, so you have a special role inside the Discord server if you need one. Okay, so we'll see if we got anything at 3:30 a.m. Eastern time. But hey Jerry, how can you sleep like at 4 a.m. Eastern time every day? But you need to wake up at like 10, right? But oh well, I was like that too. When I was like trading your session, like the whole session, I think I sleep at around 8 a.m. 8 or 7 a.m. Eastern time, and then wake up at 1 p.m. to check London session at that time. Because at that time, like market close at 5 p.m., 5 a.m. Eastern time. No, 5 a.m. my local time in Hong Kong. And then I will head to the gym. So after the gym and after taking a shower, it's around 7 or 8. Then I'll go to sleep. And before London session open, an hour ago, like I think like it opened around 3 p.m. local time. So I wake up around 1 p.m. to get everything ready. And it was okay at first, like, but after a few years, when you do it every day, whoa, it's hard. It's hard. It's not healthy at all. And I can get good sleep too because I was sleeping when people were actively working, right? So I was hear a lot of noise. You used to bartend. Yeah, I remember that. You said you make a Lamborghini for me, right? The drink. What was the name in America? Fingming Lamborghini. You know what I mean? The Fingming Lamborghini. Yes, yes. Please give me this one. Guys, this one is real great. You have to try it. For real. But don't get yourself burned. This one is good. You can use money to buy back the health. Not exactly. Not exactly. I don't think so. I mean, you have to spend a lot of time, not just money. It's not like, okay, I would like to spend like 10K for this health, and then I click a button, then I will become healthy. It's not like that. You have to spend a lot of time for healing yourself. You burn all the alcohol. No, you drink it before they, burning the alcohol. This is one of my favorite cocktail. If thinking Lamborghini is something like too heavy for you, you try this. This good too. This is my first cocktail in my life, so I remember it. But why am I? Why are we talking about alcohol here? No, 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 not because it's tipsy trader, so we drink a lot. We don't drink when we're trading, okay? I mean, at least we don't get drunk when we're trading. And it's early morning for me. If I'm trading newer session, probably it's evening time. But right now it's too early. Oh my god! So 3:30 already. We already passed 3:30. and we still get nothing. Oh my god, what the? Okay, Jerry, I hear you. I hear you. Hmm. So boring right now. I mean, we literally have nothing during this London session. You can see the range, right? The range is like that, like this. The only entry you can get is this one. Like after price sweep the low, I enter here and trade to here, which is a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. And yeah, that's just, to me, is equal to no chase at all, no trading opportunity at all. Jerry, do you want to stream tomorrow? Because I'm a bit tired. I want to skip tomorrow. 唔係，大佬喉嚨痛，仲要 live stream 好攰啫。係啊，佢識講廣東話嘅。I did it. I did get it. Paper go. Paper go. Pepper go. I don't know what is the English for that. I remember that's the English name for that. 揾下先。I don't know. I can find it. But you know what that is, right? I did use it today, but still hard. Paper go. Yeah, every singer use that, right? You know what I mean. Herbal candy. Okay, that's good. And next Monday, I think we got a US holiday, right? Is that a US bank holiday or something? So I believe the market will close or at least only open half day. I will check it. So it's next Monday. When did you think of trading full time? You know, in general, people will tell you to, save up some money first or get a profitable trading strategy first, things like that. But I didn't go that way. I didn't go that way. I'm just very determined that I want to be a trader. I chose my way. Which way did you go? I go with my way. I believe in myself that the thing that I'm currently doing is the right thing, is the correct thing. And ICT concept is the thing that I'm looking for, and I should be continuing doing it. I don't know how to tell you, but because I've been trading with other strategy before, I tried the classical technical analysis, tried VCP, tried options, and many other things. And when I get to learn ICT concept, I just instantly see the difference. It's just so obvious. It's totally different. And I know that is it. This is the thing that I was looking for the whole time. And I'm a very stubborn person, so no matter who tell me to don't quit your job, I will not listen to any of them. Which is not a good example. I was like, fuck off, don't tell me what to do. And I have to say like that, I didn't have any role models to learn from, because I wasn't grow up from a middle class, so I don't have successful people have successful career. You should learn from them. I don't have those kind of people around me. All my surroundings is just the same level as me. So I don't want to. It's not. I mean, they're my friends. They're my friends, but I don't want to listen to their opinion. You understand what I mean? They are my friends. We're good friends, but I just don't really think their advice is very useful. So I would rather believe in myself. Monday market close all day. Okay. So next Monday, just go watch ICT playlist. Everyone, seriously. Just spend your time on backtesting, on studying trading. You think I made the right move? Probably because of the what we got here. Because sometimes people will say like this is like not everyone can success in trading, but I don't believe that. They say it's like what bias, survivorship bias, something like that. Oh. Do you talk to other ICT traders? Yes, I talk to, but like mostly Asian traders. Trading is available for everyone, but it's not for everyone. I mean, you really have to be like dedicated to trading. You have to be so determined that I need to be successful on trading. Then you will. Like how much are you willing to sacrifice? Like how much time are you gonna spend on studying trading? How much money are you willing to put on platform accounts? How many years can you like accept? Like probably first few years you won't be profitable. Can you keep doing it after I don't know 3 years, 5 years? Can you keep doing it? Or 10 years? Can you still doing this? It's possible. I'm not saying it's totally impossible. Because your 10 years is probably different from other people's 10 years, right? Because you probably only spend the weekend, and the so-called weekend is like 2 to 3 hours on Saturday and then 1 hour on Sunday. Then you say you spend the weekend studying trading, but it's just few hours. But other people probably like me, I spend at least 10 hours a day studying trading from Monday to Sunday. So my 3 years is different than your 3 years. That's why. I don't trade. I was taking trades every day back then, but this year I won't be. I'm so boring right now. I didn't see anything. I mean, I want to talk about the chart, but that's nothing for me to talk about. We got a sell side equity if you want me to talk about, and we got an equal high on ES. That's that literally nothing. Nothing to discuss. High time frame. Let me take a look. High time frame, just do the same. Candlestick this week, which is to the top of this volume imbalance, daily volume imbalance, and then come down again and get into this daily FVG, daily bullish FVG, go up again, leading both the trend line sell side equity and the relative equal high with this I would say this is sucks. You can see that, right? So you got it here, and you got it here. Go up, then dump it Friday. Oh, it's possible. It's possible. Like, we check the. But we have TGIF, right? Oh, the weekly candle. This is a. Okay. Okay. I think that's it for today. I mean, I didn't see anything. I don't think we got anything in a short period of time. Yeah. So I will see you all tomorrow inside my Discord, inside the Discord. I think if Jerry is live streaming, I will be there. Yeah, that's all for today. I really want to take some trade, but I didn't see anything. Next time, I'll demonstrate another trade. Also, Discord link is down below the info box. Yeah, Jerry will be on at 2 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, Friday. Thank you everyone for joining this stream today. Appreciate your time and your patience and the interaction with me. Thank you, chat. I'll see you tomorrow in Discord. Goodbye.